Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your ShopPay account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open ShopPay powered by Shopify on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. You can see that it will say Get Started. Go ahead and click on Get Started. And what you need to do now is write down your Gmail address with which you registered to ShopPay. So after a while, a Chrome browser or any browser will load up, and what you need to do is write down your Google Gmail address or email address and click continue. As soon as you do that, a OTP code will be sent to your Gmail. Wait for a while and then a mail will come. So what you need to do is go to your Gmail. After you go to your Gmail, wait for a while and an OTP code will be here. So you can see the code is here. What you need to do is copy the code and paste it. So copy the code which is over here, go back to ShopPay and paste the code. That's what's all you need to do. So after that, your email address will be confirmed and then you will be signed in or logged into your ShopPay account. So guys, this was a video on how you can log into your ShopPay account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.